Good evening, I'm meteorologist Patrick Fitzwx with your Monday evening forecast. We now have newly designated Invest 90L situated over northern Mexico. This system is forecasted to reemerge into the northwestern Gulf and does have a 50% chance of development over the next 7 days. General consensus is that the system is going to reemerge into the Gulf and likely move somewhere over the Texas and Louisiana coastline over the next few days, although it can move a little bit more east or west of the model ensemble guidance, so we'll have to keep an eye out for that. Flood watches are currently out for our Mississippi Gulf Coast counties. I do expect them to issue more flood watches to include all of our viewing area over the next few days, as there is the potential for widespread and potentially significant excessive rainfall, which can cause flash flooding. Our moisture tracker this evening is basically saying the same thing that I've been saying over the past few days. We're going to have plenty full of tropical moisture to work with for this setup, and you can really see it surging into Houston. Not a really good look there. That could be a really dangerous situation evolving for the Houston and Galveston Bay areas. But you can see this tropical moisture really begin to surge eastward and to the north when the system moves a little bit more inland over Texas here over the next few days by Thursday. And then you can see this low track northeastward over the lower Mississippi Valley, situated right around northern Alabama by Friday night. And this moisture will just continue to park itself over the region over the next several days, which will lead to increased rainfall chances. And tomorrow looks to be really like a not so pleasant day. Could even be a washout too in spots, as we have widespread heavy rainfall moving in. Wednesday morning commute could be a little bit ugly across I-10 in the Florida Panhandle, but we'll clear out with some breaks in the clouds throughout the day on Wednesday. Spotty showers by Thursday morning, and then you can really see whatever comes out of Invest 90L move further off to the north and east as the cyclone does intensify quite significantly. We have a really nasty line moving through Birmingham by Friday morning at 5:30. However, this line will kind of weaken a little bit, but you'll see here by around Friday afternoon there is the potential for some widespread showers across southern Alabama and even some heavier showers in our most northern counties. Now, with this rain, there will also be the potential for gusty winds from the system in our area, and they really start gusting by tomorrow. We could see wind gusts across our area, especially in Mobile, potentially getting upwards of the 20 to 25 mile per hour range, maybe even a little bit stronger than that, but we'll calm down a little bit throughout Tuesday evening. We'll gust right back up into the 20s. They'll hold steady for a while, and then by Thursday night we could be seeing widespread gusts in the 25 to 30 mile per hour range as the Invest 90L system moves further off to the north and east, and we have the influence from the cyclone there, and they'll be remaining steady in the 20s to 25s throughout most of the period, especially Thursday and Friday. Now, the big picture here is with the rainfall as well. We could be seeing very significant totals across our area, especially in Mobile, where 5 to 7 inches of rain is possible over the next 7 days. I could see isolated totals even in the Mobile area reaching upwards of maybe even 8 to 9 inches. Like, there is definitely within this purple bullseye here the potential for more localized higher amounts, so we definitely need to be keeping an eye out for that in terms of the forecast. And with our 7-day forecast, the picture is going to be the same. Pretty much guaranteed shot at rain, heavy rain tomorrow, and high elevated chances throughout the period as Invest 90L moves across the region and brings that moisture, tropical moisture influence. And we're going to be remaining quite warm as well in the upper 80s, near 90. We'll clear out by next week into your work week and be in the mid 90s.